Hello, my dear friends. Raising millions of pigs using modern farming machinery systems has become popular in modern countries around the world. However, free-range pork is produced and consumed in large quantities by many countries. So how have farmers raised millions of free-range pigs and processed meat using modern machines? Here is the video. Now let's get to watch this whole video and enjoy it together. Raising free-range pigs in Germany is a traditional form that has been applied meticulously and effectively for many generations. With about 10,000 free-range pig farms, Germany is one of the world's leading countries in this farming method. The livestock density of each farm ranges from 50 to 100 pigs. Farms are concentrated mainly in the south and east, where grasslands are abundant and the climate is warm. Temperatures in free-range pig farming areas in Germany usually range from 45 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit. This temperature is suitable for pigs to grow and develop. Temperatures that are too low can cause pigs to be cold, reduce their ability to digest food, and increase the risk of disease. Extremely high temperatures can also cause pigs to become stressed, dehydrated, and increase the risk of diseases as well. German farmers have developed a breeding method that combines free range and confinement. Pigs are released into the pasture to move freely and search for food. To achieve high productivity, German farmers apply many care and quality management measures. Choosing a pig breed that can adapt well to a free grazing environment is one of the important decisions. In addition, ensuring an adequate supply of food and water, along with regular health checks, all play an important role in the care process. Pigs are fed 3 times a day, with food mainly consisting of cereals, vegetables, and complementary foods. Ensuring diversity in the diet helps provide adequate nutrients for pigs, thereby creating delicious and quality meat. Provide adequate drinking water for pigs, especially in summer. Drinking water needs to be changed regularly, ensuring it's clean and cool. In addition to the main food, free-range pigs in Germany also enjoy vegetables and fruits, such as radishes and apples, which help add nutrients and create a unique flavor for the meat. To protect pigs from harsh weather, small shelters are built around the pastures. These roofs not only protect pigs from the sun and the rain, but also help them to stay away from harmful agents from the surrounding environment. Specifically in winter, Germany farmers often use straw or sawdust as bedding to help pigs keep warm. This is not only a traditional method, but also a modern care and management system, resulting in high quality and safe pork products. Pork processing is a strict process. ensuring food safety and high quality from raw materials to the final product. Pigs are stunned with CO2 gas, a common humane slaughter method pork processing plants. This process helps pigs die quickly and painlessly. After the pig is stunned, the pig's skin is cleaned with hot water and soap. This helps remove hair, dirt, and impurities from the pig's skin, preparing it for the next step. After being cleaned, the pig's skin will undergo a fire burning process to remove bristles and dead skin cells. This step makes the pig's skin clean and looks beautiful. After being burned through fire, the pig will be washed with clean water to remove the remaining dirt and impurities. Then the pork belly will be separated to harvest the organs. The organs will be then put into the processing line for cleaning and processing. Pig organs are cleaned with clean water and soap on the processing line. This process ensures the removal of impurities and bacteria from the internal organs. The pig's body will then be decapitated to remove the head bone and continue the meat processing process. The pig carcasses will be split in half for ease of processing and increased production efficiency. After being split into half, the pork will then be put into a cooling room to cool down, keeping the meat fresh and flavorful. After being divided, the pork will be divided into small pieces and packaged, ready for delivery to consumers. According to statistics from the German Pork Industry Association, the annual consumption of free-range pigs in Germany is about 120,000 tons. Free-range pigs account for about 10% of the total pork consumption in Germany. The price of free-range pork in Germany is about 20 to 30% higher than that of captive breed pork. Free-range pork prices range from $2.7 per pound to $3.3 per pound. Free-range pork in Germany is not only a source of high-quality fat and protein, but also a valuable source for ingredients for many delicious and unique dishes. With its delicate processing, this pork has become a source of inspiration for many famous chefs and culinary teams. Bratwurst, an icon of German cuisine, is a grilled pork sausage prepared with a delicate combination of ground pork, lard, and spices. This dish is not only a symbol of a popular dish, but also a cultural symbol, often enjoyed during festivals and special events. In addition, free-range pork in Germany is created into many different unique dishes. Bacon, with its characteristic salty and smoky flavor, is a popular choice for breakfast and dinner. Smoked pork, sausage, and salami or other processed products, giving dinners a unique culinary experience. How do exactly these pig raising technology and modern farms are implemented? Let's continue watching together to know exactly how.
Europe is famous for its large-scale pig farming industry, and the number of millions of pig farms is not a coincidence. According to data from the European Pig Breeding Association, EU Pig, the region raised nearly 150 million pigs in 2020. This requires strong infrastructure and smart management. One of the most important factors in the European pig industry is strict compliance with food safety regulations. Farmers must adhere to strict standards regarding feed quality and pig living conditions. Farms are often inspected periodically to ensure compliance with these regulations. European pig farms have invested heavily in online monitoring systems and sensors to monitor pig health, feed quality, and environmental conditions. For example, automated systems in feed delivery improve pig feeding efficiency and reduce waste. This ensures that pork produced in Europe is reliable and safe for consumers. The European pig industry is more focused on protecting the environment than ever before. Farmers have adopted measures to save energy and minimize negative impacts on the environment. They also invest in waste treatment systems to reduce environmental pollution. You are seeing the waste treatment system of a farm with a scale of millions of pigs. The amount of manure and wastewater discharged from pig farms every day is estimated at several tons. What if it is not handled carefully? The surrounding environment will be heavily polluted, affecting the human living environment as well as the entire farm. Treated water tanks are also reused to save water for the farm. Water is used for farm cleaning. The amount of manure after treatment will be replaced with crop fertilizers, saving billions of dollars in farm feed. European farmers often work closely with different processing plants in the pork supply chain. This includes working with meat processing plants, shipping companies, and agricultural market organizations. This cooperation helps ensure continuity in pork supply from farm to consumer. When the pigs reach the standard weight, they will be taken to processing factories by specialized transport vehicles. Each truck will be covered with a layer of sawdust to prevent the pigs from slipping while standing in the truck. One transport truck can carry about 100 pigs. Many questions have been raised. If, in one day, a factory processes thousands of pigs, how is the quality of the meat guaranteed and is safe for eating? Please see the process of thousands of pigs in this factory. Each step and process is carried out quickly to ensure the quality of the meat. All processes, from the time they are delivered until they are processed, are carried out and managed very strictly. Each stage has workers checking, so you can trust and use factory-processed meat safely. Until the process is completed, the carcasses will be placed in a cold room to prevent bacteria from growing on them. When the pig's body temperature drops, this is the time when the meat is divided into parts of relative volume and inspected using modern smart machines. They will check the meat for foreign objects or remaining bones. Continue packaging, vacuum sealing, labeling, and exporting to supermarkets and stores. You can see all of these processes clearly, so you can trust and use factory-processed meat safely. Overall, the European pig industry is growing strongly thanks to modernization, smart management, and a focus on environmental protection and food safety. European farmers have shown a commitment to high-quality pork production and environmental protection, and this has been a key part of the industry's success. The Explorer factory handles 34,500 pigs per day. A report in the United States states that a slaughterhouse alone has a capacity of nearly 34,500 pigs per day, which is nearly 7% of the total U.S. slaughter capacity. They doubt the quality of these shoddy products, and it's worrying if they don't see it with their own eyes. Before going to see the pork processing process in the factory, we want you to come to the pig farm to see how the farm owners raise animals to provide a high quality of life. Large pigs arrive at the processing plant. Before sending them to the factory to produce the slaughter line, farmers must ensure that they have enough stable weight to meet the nutritional requirements of the meat. Farm scales are equipped with high-tech features that can make organizing and tracking weight data a very simple task. The automatic large wing system is composed of large gauge stainless steel frames. The tube is designed to reduce stress on pigs during weighing. They can be weighed every day so the farm owners can control their weight. When the herd reaches an average weight of about 250 pounds, thousands of pigs will be transported by trucks and taken to processing plants. As a leading country in the use of technology, they use very modern and humane slaughtering technology. Machines will penetrate the pig's nerves and areas, causing suffocation, or they will use automatic electric machines to paralyze them. These two methods are said to be more humane than other conventional slaughter methods, and they minimize any damage to the cuticle or body. Then the pigs are brought into the main production area, and they continue to perform main steps such as cleaning the skin and stains on the pig's body. Heating system to burn the skin after cleaning with a rotary machine. The pig's organs will then be removed by making a straight incision in the middle of the abdomen. Carcass halves will be split along the backbone line. The workers here will check the quality of the meat and make sure there is nothing unusual on the pig's body. They are then placed in a cold storage environment for 24 hours before being processed into pieces. In such a cold environment, bacteria will not be able to function. Ensure food safety for users. The frozen pigs are further divided into smaller portions to facilitate processing and packaging. Since the producer seems to be very serious and mature during this period, each employee will have a specific task that they must complete within a specific time frame. All meat parts, such as pork legs, shoulder ribs, belly fat, and many other parts of the pigs, will be disinfected afterwards to avoid bacteria that may be present in the meat, and finally weighed and packaged. Official box released to consumers. The complete planning and construction of industrial slaughterhouses in foreign countries has helped to increase the quantity of livestock and poultry products, increase profits, and save time. But besides that, you also don't have to understand that when entering scale, the risks are huge. In recent years, especially vocal critics of the meat industry have blamed the dumping of industrial waste for the spread of animal diseases, such as avian flu, and increased activity is harmful to the environment. However, the treatment of waste discharged into the environment in food processing plants is one of their top concerns. They have researched and invested in modern equipment to treat the factory's wastewater. There are some factories that have reduced water use after treatment by 40%. Therefore, it is necessary to take measures to overcome this situation and further improve food hygiene and safety in factories.
So how do you feel about this video? And do you think that in the future a lot of machines are going to replace more humans? And how can we face that problem in the future? Please share your comments down below, as this is going to be very, very important to know pretty much from almost everyone, so that we can hear more opinions and get introduced to more solutions. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe for more videos like this.